Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery and welcome to today's 5-Minute Friday. And today we are planting up a hanging basket with one plant. And when I say one plant, I mean one type of plant. And the reason we're doing this video is because I think the temptation is to overcomplicate hanging baskets and containers and things like that. And actually the reality, if you make a good choice of plant, and a nice flower that you really like, that's often the easiest way to get the best impact. Think of those houses where you see rows and rows of all the same colour plant and stuff like that. They often look good and it is the easiest way to do it, obviously. So what I've picked is a trailing geranium, a trailing pelargonium. I've gone for a happy face one, which has got a bigger flower to it, and it's a Mexicana type, so it's got this two-tone flower to it. But you could choose a fuchsia, you could choose Bacopas, petunias, literally it is endless. So planting up the hanging basket. I've already put some good quality compost in there. I'm going to tap that down on the table, get rid of any air gaps, and top it all the way up to the top, just like that. So this is a 10-inch basket, which is perfect for the 3 plug plants I'm going to put in here. So I'm just leaving the compost just shy of the top, enough room that when we water it, the water settles in the top. You almost create your own little reservoir. Then I grab my plants. So these are plug plants. If you buy them from us and lots of other places as well, they have this paper pot around the outside. You don't need to remove that, so don't worry about that. And then, because I'm planting 3 plants in here, I'm going to plant them in a triangle shape, just like that. 2 at the front and 1 at the back. So the thing to do is make a nice big hole in the compost that is bigger than this root ball, just slightly bigger. And then just place the plant in and tuck it in just like that. And then repeat for the other ones. Now it might look fairly sparse at the moment, but these will soon grow, especially these happy face varieties of trailing geraniums. And you often get a nicer shape to the basket, you want more natural shape to the basket if you don't overcrowd it. So 3 is perfect for a plant like this. Smaller plants, things like Bacopas and stuff, I might use 5 in something like this. And it's as simple as that. That's what it looks like from the top. As you can see, this one's already flowering. I'll give it a nice good water. And remember, this time of year, all the way pretty much to the end of May, we can still get frosts. So this isn't ideal to put outside. So a conservatory, a greenhouse, somewhere it's going to keep warm that is frost-free is essential until the risk of frost is gone. And then it can go outside in June. Any questions at all, get in contact. See you soon.